Hey everyone, welcome to this exclusive video. Today I'm going to show you how you can supercharge your coding experience using app.qodo.ai, a powerful AI tool integrated right inside your IDE. Whether you are a beginner or a pro developer, this AI can save you time, boost productivity, and make coding smoother than ever. Now, to open app.qodo.ai in your IDE, you have to just go to this link. Okay, then you will get a sign up page where it will ask to create an account. You can create an account. Okay, after creating an account you can log in. After logging in you will get this interface. Okay, in this interface you will see you are getting an option to install CudoGen extension in your IDE, and it's supporting almost all the popular IDEs just like VS Code, JetBrains, PyCharm, IntelliJ, and WebStorm. Then you can connect this Kudo merge to your repositories also, just like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Then you can use with Jira Cloud and Jira Server also. Not only that, you can invite people or you can join Discords. Okay, you can join the Kudo Discord communities. You can invite members to your team so that you can work together. Okay, now I'll show you by opening with VS Code because I mostly prefer VS Code. Now you will get this page. You have to just click on install, then you will see a pop-up. You have to click on open Visual Studio Code. Okay, when Visual Studio Code is open, you will ask to install an extension of CudoGen AI Assistant. You have to just click on install. After installation, you have to just click on CudoGen and it will be opened. Now you can see CudoGen in your system. Okay, now this is CudoGen AI, which is directly linked to your IDE, okay, which is VS Code in our case. Now, app.qodo.ai, it is an AI-powered assistant designed to work directly with your code editor. It understands your code, gives smart suggestions, and helps with writing, debugging, and even learning new concepts all in real time. So we'll see each of the use cases one by one. So let's start with the code generation. Okay, so I'm just going to write that create a function to sort an array in Python. Now I know it's very easy in Python, okay, but you can choose your programming language, okay. Now and then you have to just click on this button and a code will be totally generated, okay, for sorting an array. Means I have just asked to create a function to sort an array in Python and that has been done, okay. So now when I asked to create the function, it's just done in seconds, okay, and you can see the whole code also, okay. So it's so simple, okay. Now let's go to the next use case, that is to explain the code, okay. So for that I am going to use any of my files, okay. So suppose I'm taking this decorator.py file. Now I'll open this CodeGen. Now you will see here this file had been interacted, okay, and directly it is taking the file. Now I will just simply ask to explain this file, and you will see that so efficiently it will explain it each of the things, okay. So you have to go here and select one of the explain slash, okay, workflows, okay, slash explain, which is one of the workflow provided by this Kudo merge, and you have to just click on this button and you will see that it will explain each and everything so efficiently based on your programming, okay. So you can see you are getting a summary also, okay. You can take a read out of it that this code defines a decorator function that wraps another function to print messages before and after the function execution, okay. And whatever the things I have done in the code you can see here, okay. And then the usage is also described here. The whole code analysis has been performed as you can see here one by one, okay. And output, okay, that has been also explained. So this was the second use case. Let's move to the third use case. You can use the help, okay, and you can ask any question, okay, related to Kudo merge, it will give you. Okay, then there is one more thing. Now I'll show you one more thing. For that, I'll open up my next file. Yeah, this one. Then I'll open Kudo merge. Or you can write fix the error, or you can simply write quick test. Okay, you can use quick test also, or you can write on improve. So I have a code here which has an error, zero division exception will come. Now you will see how efficiently the code will be, okay, changed. Now you can see when I click on improve, it's just saying that it is has the error, okay. And now when I'll click on preview code, now you will see that it has the whole code has been changed. What is the error? That is also showing that in the first line there is the error, and what is the solution to that error, that you can use the try and except in Python, okay. And here you go. So it's so efficient that it is giving you the error also, that in it is returning the error also, and then it's giving you the solution to that error also. Now let's go to the next use case, which is the enhance code. For that, I'll just open my next file. Okay, suppose this is the file. I'll open the Kudo merge and I'll go and just click on the enhance button. Now this enhance workflow will enhance the code in more efficient way. Okay, now I'll tell you that this code is already I am written in very efficient way, but then also you can see what are the changes. Means the red ones are the code which I have written, and the green ones which have been generated by the AI, and you can see the differences. You can click on the apply changes and all the changes will be made. Okay, so it will enhance your code. Now one more thing, when you are using the enhanced workflow, is that it will first analyze your coding style, and based on your coding style it is going to enhance that code. So it will be totally similar to what is your style to write a code, okay, how you takes variables and all, so it will use that only. Then now it is not limited to just enhancing the code and improvising on the codes. You can learn also. Main thing is that it will act as a learning assistant also. Now I'll show you. I'm asking a question, okay, and now you will see it will just give you whole explanation of that question. I've asked what is binary search, and now it is just giving that binary search is an efficient algorithm. And you can see it will means you can learn also with this AI, using this AI, okay. So it's a great learning companion. You can ask it to explain concepts, write examples, or even quiz. You can on topics like data structures, APIs, or system design, okay. So it will give you that also, and you can see that how efficiently and how nicely it has explained binary search, okay, with the proper coding also, that what is used in binary search, how it is done. So you can go through this now, so that we have seen that how app.qodo.ai makes coding faster, easier, and smarter right inside your IDE. Whether you are building apps, learning to code, or working on real world projects, this AI tool can be your ultimate sidekick. So try it out today and take your coding to the next level. So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned up. We'll see you in the next video.